Imagine taking a full, deep breath, feeling your lungs expand completely and exhaling with ease. Now, imagine doing that just as effortlessly when you're 70, 80, or even older. It might sound like a distant dream, especially in a world filled with pollution, seasonal viruses, and the natural decline that comes with age. But what if I told you that a simple, daily habit, one you might already be doing without realizing its full potential, could be the key to maintaining powerful, resilient lungs well into your golden years? This isn't about some miracle cure or strenuous exercise regime. It's about tapping into an ancient practice, backed by modern science, that can fundamentally change your respiratory health. This powerful secret is deep diaphragmatic breathing. We often hear about belly breathing in yoga or meditation classes, but many of us dismiss it as just a relaxation technique. However, its benefits go far beyond calming your mind. Think of it as strength training for your respiratory system. Most of us are shallow breathers, using only the top portion of our lungs in a process called chest breathing. This pattern is often a response to stress, poor posture, or simply a bad habit developed over time. When we breathe this way, we're not using our lungs to their full capacity. The primary muscle of respiration, the diaphragm, large, dome-shaped muscle located at the base of the lungs, remains underused. This inefficiency means less oxygen enters our bloodstream and more stale air gets trapped in the lower lobes of our lungs, creating a potential breeding ground for infections. Diaphragmatic breathing flips this script entirely. By consciously engaging your diaphragm, you pull it downward with each inhale, creating more space in your chest cavity and allowing your lungs to expand fully. This action draws air deep into the lower, richer parts of the lungs where the gas exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is most efficient. With each exhale, the diaphragm relaxes upward, helping to expel more carbon dioxide and waste products from your system. This full exchange not only boosts your oxygen levels, but also strengthens the diaphragm muscle itself, along with the intercostal muscles between your ribs. A stronger respiratory system is better equipped to fight off illnesses, manage conditions like asthma or COPD, and maintain its function as you age. The scientific evidence supporting this is compelling. Studies have shown that regular practice of deep breathing can significantly improve lung capacity. Measured as forced vital capacity, FVC, and forced expiratory volume, FEV1, these are key indicators of respiratory health. Furthermore, this practice has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce heart rate, and decrease levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Chronic stress is a known contributor to inflammation and a weakened immune system, both of which can negatively impact your lungs. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest mode, deep breathing directly counteracts the physiological effects of stress, creating a healthier internal environment for all your organs, including your lungs. So how can you incorporate this into your daily life? It's simpler than you think. Start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting up straight or lying on your back. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly, just below your ribcage. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose for a count of 4. As you do, focus on feeling your belly rise and push your hand outward. Your chest should remain relatively still. This ensures you're using your diaphragm, not just your chest muscles. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth or nose for a count of 6. Feel your belly fall as you gently press on your abdomen to help expel all the air. The key is consistency. Aim to practice this for just 5 to 10 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day. You can do it when you wake up, during a break from work, or before you go to sleep. Over time, this conscious practice will start to become your natural way of breathing. You'll find yourself taking deeper, more effective breaths without even thinking about it. This simple, no-cost habit is an investment in your future, a daily deposit into your health account that will pay dividends for decades. It's a way to take control of your well-being, ensuring that every breath you take, even at 70, is a strong, life-giving one.